The first thing you need to understand is that Atticus doesn't have a dedicated export to PDF button in the way you might find in a word processor like Microsoft Word. Instead, you'll be leveraging Atticus's excellent export capabilities in conjunction with your operating system's built-in PDF printing functionality. This is a common and highly effective method for generating high-quality PDFs from various applications. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Prepare your manuscript in Atticus. Before you even think about exporting, ensure your manuscript in Atticus is precisely how you want it to appear. This includes formatting. Double-check your chapter headings, paragraph styles, line spacing, margins, and any other formatting elements. What you see in Atticus's preview will generally be what you get in the PDF. Front and back matter. Make sure your title page, copyright page, table of contents, if desired, dedication, acknowledgements, and any other front or back matter are correctly set up and ordered within Atticus. Images. If you have images in your book, ensure they are properly sized and positioned. High-resolution images will yield a better-looking PDF. Page breaks. Review your chapter beginnings and ensure they break to new pages as intended. Atticus offers excellent control over this. Step 2. Navigate to the export section in Atticus. Once your manuscript is polished, head over to the export section in Atticus. You'll typically find this as a prominent button or tab within the Atticus interface. Step 3. Select your export format, print-ready PDF. Within the export options, you'll see choices for different output formats, usually including EPUB for ebooks and PDF for print-ready files. This is crucial. While you might not be sending this PDF directly to a printer, selecting the print-ready PDF option is the key to generating a high-quality PDF that retains all your formatting and images accurately. Atticus optimizes this output for professional printing, which translates perfectly to a high-fidelity PDF for review or archival purposes. Step 4. Configure your print-ready PDF settings. Atticus provides several settings for your print-ready PDF export. Pay close attention to these. Trim size. This is the physical size of your book. While it won't affect the digital PDF's display size, it will dictate the layout and how much content fits on each page. Choose a standard trim size that you envision for your book, even if it's just for internal review. Common sizes include 6 by 9 inches or 5.5 by 8.5 inches. Bleed. If your book includes images or elements that extend to the very edge of the page, you'll need to enable bleed. This adds a small margin around the content that gets trimmed off during the printing process, ensuring no white edges appear. Even for a review PDF, it's good practice to include bleed if your design demands it, as it accurately reflects the print layout. Paper color. You can usually choose between white and cream paper. This primarily affects the visual preview within Atticus and might subtly influence the PDF's background color, but it's less critical for a digital PDF for review. Font embedding. Ensure that Atticus is configured to embed your chosen fonts. This is paramount for PDF consistency. If fonts aren't embedded, the viewer's computer might substitute them, leading to unexpected formatting changes. Atticus typically handles this automatically for print-ready exports, but it's good to be aware. Step 5. Generate the print-ready file. After configuring your settings, click the Generate or Export button within Atticus for the print-ready file. Atticus will then process your manuscript and create a file that's essentially a highly optimized, high-resolution internal document. Step 6. Print to PDF. Now for the magic trick. Once Atticus has generated the print-ready file, it will typically open it in your system's default PDF viewer or a web browser. From here, you're going to use your operating system's built-in print to PDF functionality. On Windows, when the document opens, look for the print option, usually Ctrl+P or an icon that looks like a printer. In the print dialog box, instead of selecting a physical printer, choose Microsoft Print to PDF or Adobe PDF if you have Adobe Acrobat installed. Then click Print, and it will prompt you to save the file to your desired location. On Mac, similarly, with the document open, go to File, Print, or Command+P. In the Print dialog box, look for a PDF drop-down menu in the bottom left corner. Click on it and select Save as PDF. Then choose your save location. On Linux, many Linux distributions also have a print to PDF option within their print dialog boxes. The exact wording might vary, but the concept is the same. Step 7. Name and save your PDF. Give your PDF a clear and descriptive name, perhaps including the version number or date, to avoid confusion. Choose a location on your computer where you can easily find it. Step 8. Review your PDF. Before sharing, always open your newly created PDF and review it thoroughly. Flip through every page. Check for formatting consistency. Are all your headings, paragraphs, and lists correct? Image placement and quality. Do images look clear and are they where they should be? Page breaks. Are chapters starting on new pages as intended? Missing content. Is everything there? This final review step is critical to catch any unexpected issues that might have occurred during the export process. Though with Atticus and the print-to-PDF method, these are usually minimal. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Atticus project to a high-quality PDF. This method provides you with a versatile file that you can confidently share for review, use as a personal archive, or even use as a basis for creating other marketing materials. It gives you complete control over how your work is presented, ensuring that your readers see your book exactly as you envisioned it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.